You're watching the Garage Door Genius.
Well, we got a fun one today. Check this out. We got this door. It's like halfway in the opening.
Shit just got real.
And for some reason, I don't know why, but the bottom fixture, the screws are out. That one, and over on that side, the bottom's out of the track as well. So that bottom section is kind of at an angle. And you can see the panels are just kind of being held up. So my first thing is I need to get a roller in that bottom bracket down there because I don't want this bottom panel to fold inward, once I relieve the pressure of this top here and push it back into the opening to get some rollers in it. We got a roller there, and we got a roller right here. So yeah, I'm gonna get that bottom bracket in and try to get some rollers in that track so this thing doesn't cave in. All right, so I got that bottom bracket in. I got 2 screws in. I'm gonna wait till I get it up to get that 3rd screw in. You see the track's kind of bent. I'm gonna bend that back into place so I can get some rollers in there, or the second roller is out. So let me bend this track. All right, got that roller in there. Got the bottom fixture on, the roller in. So I'm gonna go to the other side and check it out. Step over this thing. All right, we can see, it's definitely out right there.
Man, it dang old complicated, man. It's like a dang old Rubik's Cube, man. You like talking about blue, red, man, then you get to one side, and then you like mess it up the other side, man.
So I'm gonna try popping that one back in, and then get the door off of these blocks. I gotta take this bottom bracket out first, so that way I can move that bottom of that track and pop that roller in. It's pretty tight. Let's get that out of there. Now I'll be able to move that track and pop that bottom back in. All right, got that back in there. Now I'm gonna put that lag back in. All right, cool. Now I know this door isn't gonna fold in at the bottom. I'm just gonna push those 2 panels into place and insert the missing rollers and see what happens. I can see that stupid rake is in the way.
No! God, please, no! 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 I'm gonna take a pair of vice grips and just lock it, so that way it'll hold this side in, and I'm gonna go deal with the other end.
I'm gonna get the roller in. It's kind of halfway out. Put the roller back in that one.
Show me what you've got. What have you got? Show me what you've got.
Now I'm gonna put this top fixture back in. All right, so I got to put it on like that for right now just to hold it because this door is all cockeyed and leaning towards the left-hand side. So I'm gonna get these blocks out from underneath this door here. All right, got the blocks out and the door sitting flush on the floor. Now I can put this top fixture back on the way it should be. I'm gonna put this top fixture back into place and take the grips off. Awesome. I got all the rollers back in on the right side and on the left side. Got the door sitting down on the floor. Now I just got to go ahead and just reset the cables and rewind up the spring, and then we'll kind of see where we're at. I know I'm gonna have to kind of work on this track over here a little bit, but I think we'll be good. Got the cables all reset and getting ready to wind up the spring. You can see this door here. It's just a basic, you go into a subdivision, cookie cutter homes.
Piece of junk.
This is what they throw in there. Just real cheap doors. There's just one row for some center hinges. So it don't take much for this door to fold up like an accordion. Let me put the tension on the spring, see where we're at.
Are you looking for something to get you pumped up and jacked up? Well, then look no further. San Antonio's very own Lokey. Download them at ReverbNation.com.
Door opens up pretty decently, I must add. I gotta take care of this track. You can see it's a little out of shape. I'll get that all fixed up. Alright, I got the track all straightened out. I did replace the bracket here because it was pretty bent. But other than that, pair of vice grips, you can bend that vert track back 90% of the time back to the way it was.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Alright, pulling the door down. I am going to adjust that top fixture over there to get it a little tighter. But other than that, this door is up and rolling. How it got this way, I have no clue.
This type of job here is pretty common. I mean, if you're a garage door guy, I do run into this scenario quite a bit. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. Got any questions, please, ask. And if you're a door guy, got any similar stories on doors upside down or whatnot, hey, please share your story in here. There's a lot of people that come here and comment. So thanks for following along today. This was a quick little repair. It was under an hour, more like 45 minutes. Yeah, we're back in working order. Yeah, it's like 105 degrees in Texas, man. That's freaking hot. I'm gonna get some water. For what that door looked like to what it looks like now, doesn't look too bad. Could have been a lot worse. No dents or dings or any creases that I can tell. So this is normally a pretty easy fix. It looks nasty, but really it's not a bad fix. Thanks for checking us out. We're in hot, sunny Austin, Texas today. Follow me on my next one. Peace out, guys. You're the best.